Handling recurring session contracts. Contract requests show recurring session agreements proposed by students or centers. Let's learn how to manage these effectively. Switch between pending requests awaiting your response and active contracts you've already accepted. Each contract card shows the student or center, the course, and the recurring schedule. It also includes the session duration and the proposed hourly rate. The schedule shows which days and times sessions will recur. For example, every Monday and Wednesday at 4 p.m. The rate shows how much you'll earn per session. For recurring contracts, credits are automatically reserved from the student's balance, so you know the funds are there. Click Accept to agree to the contract. Sessions will be automatically scheduled according to the recurring pattern. Click Reject if you cannot commit to the schedule. You'll need to provide a reason, which helps the student understand and find another tutor. Let's view your active contracts. You can cancel active contracts if circumstances change. Just make sure to provide a clear reason and give advance notice. Any remaining scheduled sessions will be canceled.